How's it going, everybody? So today I have a little more 4Runner content for you here. This video is kind of pointless, it's just, I guess, for your entertainment. But I recently received something in the mail that I felt like I needed for the 4Runner here. It's probably like the most useless and easiest thing I could do to my car here, but I felt like I needed it, so I went ahead and bought it. Let me show you what that is. Little Marlin Crawler's transfer case knob, but actually the real reason I got it is because I got a sticker with it, because I didn't want to pay their flat rate, whatever it was, like 15 bucks for a sticker here. So I went ahead and bought a transfer case knob, figuring it would come with a sticker, and I'm glad it did, because I really do need a new one of these, considering that both of mine look completely awful. So yeah, I'm happy that I got this. And what I mean by completely awful, man, I just washed that. What I mean by completely awful is, ever since I got the window tint, they had to cut a template and it cut through my stickers here, and the Marlin Crawlers ones did not react well to it. They just started peeling, and then the other day my boss was walking by my car and he just peeled the sticker right off. So that really kind of sped up the need to get a new one, because I can't stand having this residue left. But this is what it kind of looked like on the other side. Either way, it looks horrible. Really hate it. So got the new sticker, and I'm going to be putting that on today. But first of all, let's go ahead and put the transfer case knob in, because that's the real item that I bought. Sorry for the bad lighting, but we're going to work with it. So like I said, this is like the easiest and most pointless thing you can do to your car here, but I'm going to do it anyway. Just twist the old one off, and twist the new one back on. There we go. Actually looks really good. I like it. So, got that installed. Let's go ahead and put the sticker on. Alright, so for this I'm going to go ahead and just get a fresh start with, just sticking the sticker directly to the glass. I'm going to get rid of all this residue and stuff. So I got myself a bottle of Booker's Lift Off, or however you say that. So I'm going to go ahead and see how well that works. Well, as you can see, it does work pretty good. It just takes time and patience. So, yeah. I didn't really think about it, but I'm using sticker remover right next to this sticker here. So I hope whatever it's doing to this stuff, it doesn't do to this. Well, I can say that Boker here works pretty good. I mean, look at that. It's as clean as ever. Let's go ahead and stick the new one on, and call it good. Wow, that looks 1,000 times better. So now I just need to figure out what other Marlin Crawlers item I can buy to get a sticker for the other side. Alrighty, and that's going to conclude the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, it's a pretty useless video, but it's content with the 4Runner, which is always good. So yeah, I've got a few more things that I've ordered for the 4Runner here that I will do videos on in the future, and they're more important stuff than just a transfer case knob and a sticker. But yeah, look forward to those videos, and as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Run free and dive into the sky.